Another day, another free food from Emmanuel Food Pantry. Ayun, ilan tayo guys. Hello sir.
Hello. Who's in the back?
Yeah, my kids sir.
Put the window down. Stop talking with them.
Hello guys.
High five.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you.
All the way to the bottom. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Okay, guys, check natin yung nakuha natin. Check natin guys. Uy. Imagine oh. Guys, grabe. Libreng cake pa. Grabe naman ba? Grabe naman sila magbigay dito ba? Oh, kahit yung banana lang oh, ang bagay. May sweet corn pa. Uy, ano ito mga to? Ang dami naman. Masayas pa. Ano mga to? Zucchini. Yes. Uy, may bigas pa. My goodness. May pasta, may bigas. Dito sauce pa. Ang pasta yan. May bread na din. Okay. Fine. Ito fine. Make this one. Okay. All of the best. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Yan.